So we got this Miller SpoolMate 150. Some 03 wire, 030 aluminum wire, 1 pound spools, 150. Got a little aluminum to put together. So let's keep this open, see what we got in here. Okay. Official. Let's see what we got. Lead, a little bit of lead. It's kinked up, but there it is. Okay. Adapter goes there. This goes in the plug. And we'll make it happen. We'll put it together in the morning. Later tonight. Depending how I'm feeling about it. We need to get this out. It's another job that's, we need to get out. We need to get it to powder coat. There's some of the base plates and clips, end caps, and some clips there. Quarter inch and 1/8 inch. But just want to show the Miller SpoolMate 150. We'll be using it on a 211, on the Miller 211 over there. This was about 500, around 500 bucks. This, the one that goes on this one, y'all, I don't know if you're familiar, if you're shopping, if you ever think about it, about 1,500 bucks for the one that you can attach to the 252, 255 model. Yeah, it's pretty steep, but so I opted for the this version. But that's what we got. We'll get you some visual of it burning tomorrow, and check it out, Miller SpoolMate. See how it runs. Thanks for checking it out. Be sure to like if you like this type of content, like to see what we got going on here at the shop. KBG Welding. We're serving God and burning rods. Thanks, y'all.